Hey everyone, so today Dave is marking out the tile for our bathroom that we'll be using until we can finish our master bathroom. As you can see, he has a little helper with him marking out the tile. So he's just measuring the pieces and then getting it all ready so he can start laying it out. And then after he finishes the bathroom, he's gonna jump into the laundry room and start doing the tile in there.
Alright, I got all my cuts done besides the toilet, which would be that one. I have to cut a circle out. So I'm going to stand them all up like this. And that way, as I work from the tub to the door here, I can do one line at a time and keep it all nice and my line here, keep it all nice and straight and organized. Alright, now I have my hole cut for the toilet. Came out pretty good. The toilet sits on it, comes out to like here, all the way around, so you won't see any of the, where I went a little too far, but that's pretty good. So now I'm gonna pick up the rest of these tile and start putting down the thin set mortar and laying the tile. Alright, got the tile done on the bathroom floor. Gonna wait for it to dry. Tomorrow I'll probably get the grout in. Alright, getting ready to start on the laundry room / utility room. I laid out 2 rows, started picking them up already. I made my cuts for that second row. The first row is all full tile, so it works out pretty good. I'm gonna pick up the first row here, snap my strings so I can keep this line nice and straight, and then get started. I don't think I'll finish it today, but whatever I don't get done today, I'll do tomorrow. That's all. Alright, so far I got 1.5 rows down. It's coming out pretty good. Same tile as the other bathroom, I'm just keeping it simple.
So as Dave was working on the tile in the bathroom and starting the laundry room, his brothers Gino and Angelo were working on spackling and taping the sheetrock. We're just trying to get done as much as we can, as fast as we can, since we have the twin girls coming sometime in March. Once Dave finishes the tile in the laundry room here, we'll probably be able to go to sanding the walls so we can prime them with paint and get to putting down the flooring in all the rooms that don't have tile besides our master bathroom, since we're still waiting for that to be delivered. And we'll probably be waiting to complete the actual bathroom until after we move in, just so we can get in quicker.
Alright, I'm getting my cuts ready here, so I'm going to work backwards on this strip, since I can't kneel on the row that I just did. So I'm getting my cuts to start, and then it'll be all, well, rips, but whole tiles all the way until I get to the back door, which I can do from just reaching in. So we're getting there. Almost done with the laundry room. Alright, about halfway done with half of the room. A little bit more to go. It's been pretty good. Alright, all finished up. It's pretty good. One little bad spot, something must be underneath. That tile's a little raised up, but shelving's going about 12 inches out, so it should be alright. Looks good.